Asparagus rolls recipe. Asparagus is a miracle food. I was a teenager, my stepdad was diagnosed with bladder cancer. He was scheduled to have his bladder out, when a friend suggested a home remedy. My stepdad tried it and it worked to do away with his cancer without any medical treatment at all. My mom would take several cans of asparagus and run them through the blender to mush them up. He would drink a big swig of the mush twice a day. I personally couldn't see how he was able to do it, but he did. He went back to the doctor 6 months later and the cancer was gone. A true miracle. So, I thought I would share a favorite recipe for asparagus rolls, with everyone. Asparagus rolls recipe. Ingredients: 24 slices sandwich bread. 1/2 c. Soft light margarine. 8 ounces, soft cream cheese. 4 ounces soft blue cheese. 24 spears fresh asparagus, parboiled. Preparation instructions. Trim crusts from bread, flatten each slice with rolling pin. Mix butter and cheeses. Spread cheese mixture over bread, top with asparagus spear and roll up bread around asparagus spear. Dip into melted butter. Cut each roll into fourths and freeze. When ready to serve, bake in a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes.